Investment banking is one of the most sought after field, offering high pay, tremendous growth opportunity and global exposure. Whether you dream of working on high profile deals or analyzing market trends, this field has something for everyone. In this video, we'll be covering the top entry-level jobs in the investment banking space for freshers in India and the skills you need and how to prepare yourself for these roles. So stay tuned. Hi, I'm Ganesh Nayak, founder of Fintelligents, where we help students to crack professional certifications like CFA, FRM and SCR. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe for more such finance career tips and guidance. Now, let's dive into the video. Let us talk about the top entry-level roles in investment banks that can help you to kickstart your journey. Number 1, investment banking analyst. The most popular starting role in IB is investment banking analyst work, where you directly work on mergers and acquisition, financial modeling, capital raising, and market research. Key skills which you need if you want to get into this role. First of all, you need to be very good in Excel-based financial modeling. You need to know different types of valuation techniques, good with Excel, even the advanced one. You need to also know tools like Bloomberg. Further, strong analytical and presentation skills are also very critical. Why is it so great as a role? This role gives you a front seat opportunity into deal making and exposure to senior bankers. It is often the first step towards becoming an associate or a VP in the IB space. And speaking of analysis, there is another role that focuses on diving deep into the market trends and company performance. Let's talk about that. That is equity research analyst. If you love analyzing industries and stock market, this could be a perfect role. As an equity research analyst, you evaluate companies, you write reports, and also you provide stock recommendation to your investors. Few of the key skills that you need to expertise in is that financial analysis should be very good, valuation methodology should be very clear, you should know how to write a report, and also tools like Bloomberg and Bara for data analysis. Why is this role so great? This role is a fantastic way to develop in-depth market knowledge and also to hone your analytical skills, setting up for bigger roles like portfolio manager or buy-side analyst. But what if you prefer a fast-paced, action-oriented role? That's where sales and trading analysts come into picture. As a sales and trading analyst, you will work on trading floor, assisting with securities trading and learning about market dynamics. Few of the key skills that you need. First, very important, quick decision making. Also, you need to have very strong knowledge of derivative products and tools like risk metrics for quick risk analysis. Why is this role so good? If you thrive under pressure and enjoy high energy environment, then this role offers invaluable exposure not only in market trend but also in different trading strategy. Of course, understanding risk is just as important in IB, which brings us to the next role, which is risk management analyst. Banks face multiple risks, credit, market and operational. But as a risk management analyst, your job is to identify how this risk is going to impact the bank, how to mitigate these risks. Few of the key skills that you need: knowledge of stress testing, scenario analysis, knowledge of risk framework, programming languages like Python or R, and tools like risk metrics. Now, this role gives you a critical idea about how to make sure that the bank is stable, offering you a solid foundation of a career growth into the risk management space. Now, from managing risk, let us move to client-facing roles that focuses on corporate clients. There is corporate banking associate. If you enjoy working directly with corporate clients, this is the role for you. Corporate banking associate assists clients with loans, trade finance, and also cash management solution. Few of the key skills that you need. First, negotiation. Second, having corporate finance expertise, which is going to be used in your day-to-day work. Relationship management, because you're going to be talking to multiple stakeholders, and also tools like Power BI for quick reporting. Why is this role so exciting? Because you're going to be getting quick hands-on experience in corporate finance and building lasting client relationship. Now let us talk about the next role that ensures that the bank operates ethically and within the legal boundaries. Compliance analyst. In this role, you will ensure that bank complies with regulation, internal policies, while monitoring all the potential risks that the bank can actually face. What are the key skill set? Attention to detail, very important. Knowledge of different regulatory frameworks and different regulatory laws, and analytical tools for compliance monitoring. This role offers a unique mix of legal and financial exposure, making it an ideal for detail-oriented professionals. Now, let us shift gears to operational backbone of IB, which is nothing but operation analyst role. As an operational analyst, you'll be managing back office processes like trade settlement, reconciliation, and you'll also ensure that the data is accurate and it is going into the right system. What are the key skill sets that you need? You need strong organizational skill set, knowledge of different financial markets and products, also tools like Bloomberg for transaction monitoring. Why this role is so good? Because this role gives you a crucial understanding of how an entire investment bank actually functions behind the scene and offers a pathway to go to operational leadership roles. For those who love personalized financial advice, here's another great opportunity, which is Wealth Management Associate. In this role, you will provide personalized financial advice, investment strategies to high net worth individuals. What are the key skill sets that you need? First, very important, financial planning. You should also be aware about different investment products and their knowledge. Strong communication skill because you're going to be talking directly to the client. And tools like Power BI for portfolio analysis is very helpful. This role is perfect for professionals who are passionate about client relationship and also wealth management. Finally, let us talk about the two highly specialized roles, M&A professional, M&A financial analyst, and treasury analyst. Now, this role, which is a financial analyst role, which focuses on financial modeling, valuation, and due diligence for mergers and acquisition. What are the key skill sets that you need? First and foremost, very good understanding of Excel, very good understanding of valuation techniques, and obviously tools like Bloomberg and PitchBook. Over here, you need to have direct involvement with high-profile deals, which makes the role very exciting and also financially rewarding for freshers. The final role that we are going to be talking today is Treasury Analyst. As a Treasury Analyst, you will be managing the bank's liquidity, funding, and even financial assets. Key skills: cash flow forecasting, liquidity management, and tools like risk metrics or BARA for risk and performance tracking. Now, this role offers a macro level perspective on managing banks' finance and prepare you for leadership role in treasury management. How to prepare for these roles? First of all, education background also matters. A degree in finance, economics, or commerce is very common, which a lot of people actually get if they want to get into IB. Second, and also very important, certification. CFA level 1, FRM, and financial modeling courses can give you an edge. Networking tips: connect with professionals from LinkedIn, alumni through your network, people who are actually working in the IB roles, talk to them. Internships: try to get a smaller internship roles which will give you practical experience into the understanding of the industry and which will also help to build your resume. So guys, from investment banking analyst to a treasury analyst, these entry-level roles offer diverse opportunities for freshers to build a successful IB career. Remember, learning the right skill and tool can make all the difference in landing your dream job. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Comment below if you have any question about these roles or skills required. Don't forget to follow us for more industry insight and career advice. See you in the next video.